Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial about how to create a line graph in Excel and how you change or play with commands as you want. Also add equation, correlation factor or trend line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, just select the data from insert, charts, select it, the type you want. For example, I selected this type or this one. For example, this one. Good. Now you can add axis title and chart title from here. Select the window. Here we have this plus sign. Click it. Axis title and axis. You can remove axis or add axis. Also, you can add legend. Also, you can add data labels. I don't need chart title and axis title is enough. Here you can add axis title. This one time. This one inflow. Okay, you can change the text color, for example, to red. You can change, make it bold or italic. It depends on you. This one also change color to, for example, green, just to learn how to play with the commands. Good. You can change its size to 18. This one also double click on it and activate it. Inflow hydrograph. Good. You can fill here. Double click. Make this one fill solid. Which color? For example, this color. Change color of the text to red. Just to play with the commands, nothing more. Good. Now you can add or change minimum and maximum of the axis. Select it, horizontal axis, right click, format axis. For example, I don't have this. Just select this horizontal axis, right click, format axis. Here we have minimum 0, maximum 60. For example, I change maximum to 80. You see how it changes? Change back to 60. Major 10. You can change it to 15. For example, I make it 20. You see how it changes? Change back to 10. Good. Okay. You can change the color also for main bars from here. Color, line, solid line. Good. That's for outside color. Good. Right click, format major axis, major grid lines. From here you can change the color. Color, for example, this black color. Okay. For this one, right click, format major grid line. Which color you want? For example, I select it. It's this color. Good. If I want to add minor grid line, select this one. Right click, add minor grid lines. Good. Now minor grid line is added. Select it again. Right click, format minor grid lines. For example, I change its color to this color. Okay. For here also you can add minor grid line. Right click, add minor grid line. Also you can change the line color. Select the line. Here we have color. Change color to, for example, let it be this color. Also you can change the color for this circle. Select this one. From marker, change color to, let it be red. Also you can change if the color of the border or no line. You see? Also you can add equation. If you want to add equation to this line, just remove this one. Okay. Select this one, right click, add trend line. Here, if you want to exponential or linear or logarithmic. Okay. Again, add trend line. For example, linear. Also you can show equation. Set intercept, display equation, display R. That is the equation for the line. That's R correlation factor. Okay, I think that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe.